Barbell front raises strengthen the front deltoid and improve shoulder stability. To do this, hold the easy bar or straight barbell with an overhead grip in front of your thigh, keeping your arms straight and the body stable. Raise the barbell straight in front of you until it is parallel to the floor. Then with control, bringing the barbell to the starting position. While performing this, keep your elbows slightly bended and do 3 sets of these and 10 to 12 repetitions. Seated dumbbell lateral raises. Lateral raises are an effective exercise to develop wider and 3D shoulder. According to your strength, sit on the bench holding a dumbbell in both hands, keeping your arms straight and your elbows slightly bent. Lift the dumbbell up to the shoulder level until your hands are parallel to the ground, then gradually bringing it to the starting position. While performing this, keep your back straight and focus on the side shoulder muscle. Do 4 sets and 15 to 20 repetitions. Easy bar upright row. For shoulder width and strength, definitely add the upright row to your routine. It targets the upper traps and middle deltoid muscle. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the easy bar with an overhead grip slightly narrow than shoulder width. Keeping your elbow above the wrist, pull the bar up toward your chin, hold it for 1 second, then slowly bringing the bar to the starting position. While performing this, keep the bar close to your body. You can also do it with the straight barbell. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Seated dumbbell reverse fly. Target the real deltoid and upper back muscle. Sit on a bench holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands, keeping your back straight, hips bent forward and hands hanging down straight in front of each other. Squeeze the real deltoid muscle as you lift the dumbbell outward into the reverse fly position. Then with the control, take the dumbbell to the starting position. While performing this, keep your elbows slightly bent. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Smith machine shoulder press. Build overall shoulder strength and size. On the Smith machine, you can control speed and maintain correct form. Hold the barbell of the Smith machine at shoulder width and stand in the middle of the machine or sit on the bench with back supported. Press the barbell above your head until your entire arms is straight and lower it back to the shoulder height. Using a correct weight, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Barbell shrugs. Target the trapezius muscle. Stand with your feet hip width apart and hold the barbell in front of your thigh. Start by selecting a lightweight plate. Lift your shoulder as high as possible toward your ears. Hold for 1 second, then squeeze the trapezius muscle and slowly bringing it to the starting position. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions.